You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. I started with 3 pieces of 4x6 watercolor paper. In a very similar method, they were soaked in water, and then just like this mint chip, just dripping paint on the paper and letting it spread in the water. This summer crush is quite dried up, but that's okay because it reactivates with water. We're just going to smash it in with this palette knife. You know when you were a kid and you would play outside in the mud and the dirt, getting all messy? And sometimes the dirt was all dried up. You could like crush it in your fingers or make a mud pie if it was really wet. Yeah, this is a kind of the same thing, except it's paint, clay-based. I mix these little deli cups, about 50% water to paint, but sometimes over time they dry up. Then I have to add more water. It's almost softball and baseball season. I don't know if your kids played play ball. Play ball! Our youngest played softball. For a while, they would put her out in the outfield between first and second base. And she would stand way out and be on first and second plate, way out there, just in case someone hit the ball out there. You could hear her in the bleachers. She would sing, "Hey, batter, batter, batter." And she would sway back and forth, left to right. Hey, batter, batter, batter. And when they would hit the ball, she would do a little ballerina twirl. Swing! It was the cutest thing. When the ball would come towards her, she would do her best to get it back to the infield. But then they realized that her real talent was catcher. She would stand behind the batter, all set up as the catcher. And she would still sing her little "Hey, batter, batter" song. But she would sing it more intimidating when she was that close to them. And she'd be like, "Hey, batter, batter, batter." And when the ball would come, I think she was trying to help them, but it startled them and they would strike out because, "Hey, batter, 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 swing!" And they would swing because they were startled. She would strike a lot of batters out, more so than the pitcher would. Those were fun times. When I was a kid, I wasn't on a ball team. We just played in the pasture. I remember Dad would say, "I need you kids to get rid of these outdated chicken eggs. Go get rid of them." I think he meant for us to go through them in the compost pile. Nah, We would get us a stick and we would play ball with the chicken eggs. I feel bad for whoever was in the outfield, but I feel worse for whoever was the batter. Sometimes when you're up to bat, you might have practiced all year. Then it's your turn, and the pitcher's job is to strike you out. The team's counting on you to hit a home run. But you're standing at that home plate, and the best you can do is to swing. I had painted this while I was recovering from some dental work, but painting relaxes me, and playing in the colors reminds me of when I was a kid, playing in the mud and just having fun outside. It's very relaxing and therapeutic. This summer, if you would like to relax, play in some paint, and hang out with some friends, I invite you to come to the Live in Color retreat hosted by Rainy Day Vintage and Restyled Lemons with special guest Amy Sadler. I'll leave a link in the description for more information. You can relax outside, play in the paint, laugh, giggle, and who knows, maybe we'll play a game of ball. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Swing. She would sing this little song, hey, batter, batter, batter.